Hey everybody, so I thought to make a quick video here around how to remove wax that's stuck between the body panels of your car. I recently obtained the C6 Corvette, and one of the previous owners must have used some kind of a liquid wax on a rotary tool. Unfortunately, getting that wax stuck between these body panels just started to drive me crazy. You have this beautiful blue with this white waxed contrast in between the panels, and it's time to go. So I did some research online and found a toothpick to be a very common thing that people use to remove this wax. And unfortunately for me, that toothpick would not fit between the body panels. So I ended up taking some sandpaper. In this case, I used a 110 grit, 120 grit maybe, I think. I'd recommend for you to use a 200, probably a 250 if possible. Just make the tip of the toothpick a little bit finer, a little bit less prone to splinters and all those things. But really, the idea is to make the top of the toothpick more of a pancake, more of a flat surface, a finer surface, to really just get right in between those body panels a little bit easier, like a cone, so to speak, and just make your life a lot easier, really. But overall, it works pretty well. I would say, this wax probably been on the car for at least 6 months, could be years, but at least 6 months. Very, very easy to get out. But if you do need some encouragement, you could use some water, maybe a water with a soap mix. Just make sure you're using some car soap, McGuire's, chemical guys, something that's neutral and safe for wax. The last thing we want to do is use Dawn dish detergent soap or something and remove all the wax from our paint or clear coat. Not ideal. So just be careful about how you go about it. But overall, pretty happy with how this turned out and the end result. So hope I can help someone out there, and see you guys in the next video. So editing this video, I realized there's not a whole lot of before and after in here, and I just thought to add a note that, yeah, it turns out a lot harder to hold the camera and use a toothpick than I thought it was. Didn't end up capturing that footage that shows really how good this looked after the fact, but just wanted to recommend that still try this. I didn't grab any good footage, I apologize, but it still works very well.